Hi everyone, as you can tell from the title and you can see, I have a Melodysusie review for you today. So I will have a discount code and all that stuff down in the description box. It is an affiliate one, so if you want to use it, feel free. You can save yourself some money and help me out at the same time. So I was contacted by Melodysusie and asked if I wanted to review one of their new gift boxes. So this is the packaging. Look at this packaging. It is absolutely gorgeous. Now I have not opened it, as you can see, still completely sealed, and this is what is on the back, just so you can see. So this is a gel polish set, and it is plant based. I do know that, so I'm very intrigued with this. So let's get into it and have a look and see what is in here. I have seen a couple of videos pop up, but I have not looked at them because I wanted you to get my very first impressions and what I actually think of it. So I've avoided everybody else's videos. So yeah, so let's open it up and have a look and see what we've got. Oh, very nice. I am loving this box. Just look at it. It's beautiful. So look at these. Oh, they are beautiful. So we have this information card in the box, and it's also following the design which is on the lid and some idea of what they look like. So we have in this, we have 4 gel polishes, we have a nail brush set, and we also have a specially designed vase plus dry flowers. Amazing. I'm so excited. So you can scan this QR code for more surprise gifts as well. So look at that. Absolutely beautiful. Oh, I can't wait. I cannot wait. So oh, it's like it's like I'm worried I'm going to break it or something. So let's just take this top part out. And oh, okay. So, oh wow, hang on, you can't even see. Oh, look at that, there's some stickers. Oh wow. Oh, look at them. They have like gold trim on them. Oh, I'm definitely using them in a set, most definitely. Oh, and look at that. Oh, wow. They are beautiful. I'm so excited. So excited. Look. Look at that hollow. Wow. And then you have how to use and clean your brushes and everything all on the back. Oh, and this is our little package of dry flowers. Oh, look. Oh, it's so pretty. Oh, I'm so excited. This is absolutely beautiful. This is a perfect for a gift, 100%. And these are packaged really well. Look how thick that is. Wow. So let's pop these out. Oh, look. They're really heavy bottles as well. And they are 12ml. And you cure them for 1 minute in LED light and 2 minutes in a UV. And we also have a little swatch on the top. So this is P25 and this is P10. This is P15 and this one is P23. Oh, we've got some nice colours in here, just looking at them. Look, very nice. And then this is our little vase. Look at that. That is stinking cute. It's like an actual like polish bottle. I love it. It's so cute. Oh, that is just like that. Oh, that's just stinking cute. So let's just move these up just for a minute. Oh, this is so cool. I'm so excited. So this is the nail brush set. So let's have a look without me ripping the box. Let's have a little look. Ooh, these are nice. We've got a couple of dotting tools on the ends of some of them. So let's just open this up. Oh, I'm super excited. Super excited. Really excited for this. Oh, look at the pastel colours. So we have a gel brush, we have a square gel brush, we have a short detail brush, that one, oh, a longer liner, and a 3D brush. Oh wow, look at all of them. Wow, that is cool. Look at the colours. They're like they kind of got like a sheen on them. They're so pretty. And I like you get 2 dotting tools in there, and they are super tiny. I'm hoping you can see that. Really tiny. Wow, I can't wait to use them either. Oh, I love it. And these little stickers, this is so cute. I love this. So let's just open one of them and just have a closer look. So look at the detail on the brush. It is sticking in theme with the box, which is gorgeous. So these are 15mm. So let's have a little look. These are obviously plant-based. Oh wow, that is absolutely gorgeous, and that has got a shimmer to it. I'm hoping the camera will pick that shimmer up, which I don't think it's going to. I don't think it's going to. And it has like a... It hasn't really got a smell, not really, only slight. I don't know if you can see that shimmer. I don't know if the shimmer's really picking up. I don't think it is it? How about if I put my flash on? I really want to capture this shimmer. Hang on. I don't know if it's really picking it up, but we've got a really nice sort of like a creamy yellow colour. I'm hoping you can see that shimmer, maybe a little bit, but that is absolutely gorgeous. Oh, that's so pretty. So that is P10, this is P15, and this is a cream blue. Absolutely gorgeous. Let me turn the flash off so you can actually see. So this is a pale blue. It's not as vivid blue as it's showing on camera. It's absolutely gorgeous. And look at these brushes. Perfect brushes to get into the cuticles with. Perfect. Sorry. And then we also have P23. Oh wow, this is gorgeous. Wow, look at that. That is coming across a bit more pink. It is a it's sort of like a, I don't know how to describe it. Oh, it's a bit of a difficult one. It's not pink, but it's not purple. It's sort of like a, I don't know. It's hard to describe that one. And this is P25. Oh, this is gorgeous. Oh my, look at that. That is coming across a bit more bright in colour. It's not an orange. It's like a, like a pinky coral. It's really nice. Oh wow. So I will get some swatch sticks out and we shall give these a swatch. Okay, I shall be right back. I've had to come downstairs. So first off, we're going to swatch P10, which is this really nice. Yeah, it's a pastel yellow and it's got a really pretty shimmer in it. It's really nice. Oh, these go on so nice. Oh wow, that is nice. Oh, these just glide on. Wow. They are really nice to use. And I've got a hair in it. Let me just grab that out. Okay, so this is the first coat. I'm hoping you can see the shimmer in it. I can really see it's absolutely beautiful. So I will apply a second coat. So I'm just going to cure that. Okay, so this is the second coat. I don't think it really needs a second coat, to be completely honest, because it's really opaque. This is really nice and creamy, and it's such a pretty colour. I'm definitely going to be using this colour in the set that I'm going to do, most definitely. So that is 2 coats there. I'm hoping you can see that shimmer in there. I'm really hoping you can. So that is 2 coats, so we'll move on to the next one. So the next one is P15, which is the blue. It's absolutely gorgeous. Oh, really like it. These are absolutely perfect. I am loving these. These brushes are so nice to use as well. It's just a really nice formula to use. Really nice. And I'm really surprised because this is plant-based, but they are so nice and smooth. Really nice. Really nice. So that is the first coat there. So I will pop that in and then I'll go in for a second. Okay, I'm going to go in for the second coat. Oh wow, these are really nice to work with. They are so nice and creamy. They level really nicely, and I think this set is perfect as a gift. It's just really nice. So that is 2 coats of the blue. Okay, so next up we're going to go in with P23, which is that gorgeous purpley colour, which is absolutely gorgeous. This is a really pretty colour. It's really nice. Oh, that is gorgeous. These go on so nice. Really nice. I would definitely recommend this limited edition set. These are absolutely gorgeous, and this is 1 coat. Wow, look at that. Absolutely stunning. So obviously I will apply a second coat because we've done that for the rest. So okay, let's go in for our second coat. Not that it needs it. It doesn't need a second coat, not at all. But I've done 2 coats on all the rest, so I will stick with doing 2 coats of all of them. Absolutely gorgeous. I'm sorry if you can hear Teddy. So there you go, that's the second coat there. And then last up is P25, which is like the like pinky orangey coral sort of colour. It's hard to describe. It's really pretty. Very unusual. Very unusual colour. I really like it. And I've got some hairs in it, so I'll get them out before I cure it. So that is the first coat there. Okay, I'm just going to go in for the second coat, and then what I will do is I will top coat all of these off camera, and then yep, we'll have a final look at all of them. So yeah, I am absolutely loving these, by the way. So I will cure that and then top coat, and then I shall be back. They've all had a top coat. So this is P10. So this is the shimmery one. So that is 2 coats and top coated. And then we have P15, which is the blue. So this is 2 coats and top coated. Absolutely beautiful. I am loving these. And then we have P23, which is this absolutely gorgeous. It's like oh, it's really hard to describe. It's leaning more towards purple, but it's absolutely gorgeous. I love that one. So pretty. And then the very last one is P25, which is this like yeah, it's like a pinky coral colour. It's really, really hard to describe, but it's absolutely gorgeous. So they are all of the colours all together. So let me just put them back on here so then you can see them all together. Absolutely gorgeous. I am loving these. And I also swatched them with a matte top coat as well. So that's what they look like, matte. So I absolutely love these. These are gorgeous. I absolutely love this set. It is such a pretty, pretty gift set. This would make an absolute perfect gift for somebody. I would be over the moon if I got sent this. It's just really, really nice. And also don't forget, we've also got the brushes and the dry flowers. So give me 1 second. So this is the bunch of the dried flowers in their little vase. So we've also got that. I'm trying to fit everything in frame. And then we also had the 2 lots of stickers. So I will definitely be using them in a set. And then we had these ones as well, which have got all different flowers on and some in vases. Really, really beautiful. And then we also had the brushes as well. So that is the brush set. So I think this little gift set is absolutely gorgeous. I would love this set. I really would. I'm trying to position it. So there you go. I fit them in the best that I could because there is so much that you get in this gift set. It's absolutely gorgeous. I think it is such a nice gift set. I love it. If you haven't got this and you want one, you will have to snap it up because I do know they are limited edition, and I absolutely love this. This would make such a beautiful, really, really nice gift for somebody. It's really, really nice. I really like it. I love the colours. I love the thought of it all. I love the packaging. It's absolutely gorgeous. I love it. So yes, as I was saying, I think this would be a lovely gift for somebody. So you better make sure that you snap it up. And also not forgetting the beautiful, beautiful packaging. I absolutely love it. So I will have links and all of that stuff all down below. And as I said, I do have an affiliate code. So feel free to use it. And yeah, just let me know any thoughts you have down below. And I will get something done as soon as possible using these colours, because I think they are beautiful. So thank you so much, Melodysusie, for sending me this out. I absolutely love it. I think it is perfect. It is a perfect gift for somebody. So yes, so let me know your thoughts down below, and I will have some close-up pictures at the end. And yeah, just let me know any thoughts you have. Well, thank you so much for watching, and thank you once again, Melodysusie. And yeah, don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up. Leave me a comment down below and let me know what you think. And if you're not subscribed, please subscribe. And hopefully I will see you in the next one. Until then, take care. Bye.